Good morning, children. So everyone, as we completed textbook activity 1, it means comparison of the cities we did know. So now continuation of the chapter 3, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of large numbers. So in that, children, section 1 is word problems are there 4. So that word problems we'll do it as a last section. Okay. So first section, open textbook page number 64. In page number 64, 2 and 3 sections are there, children. So 2 and 3 sections. In each section, you are having 4 sums. Okay. One section you are having 4 sums. One section you are having 5 sums. So now in the classwork, what I am explaining you that you have to copy it in your classwork. It means each section I am going to write 2 sums. A, B will write in the classwork, and C, D and E, what are the remaining sums are there in each section, that sums you have to do in the homework book. Okay, so everyone open your maths classwork book and write chapter 3 heading. What is the chapter 3 heading, children? Large numbers and the basic operations. Write down, keep the heading chapter 3 large numbers and the basic operations in the bracket write symbol of plus, comma, minus, comma, division symbol, comma, multiplication symbol. In the bracket you have to write. And you can copy textbook page number 64, section 2 and 3 also in the classroom. No problem. Okay. So after writing the heading, Roman number 2 directly can write. No, not Roman number 2. Roman number 1 you can write, children. Roman number 1 and write heading find the sum of. Find the sum of. This all you have to write with black pen only. Find the sum of. Okay. See word problems after as a last section we are doing. So that also will be, don't worry about the word problem. Find the sum of. And outside the margin, copy the sum A. 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 8 plus 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 5, 2, 1, 3. As down place is not sufficient for me, I am writing the second one beside only. Okay, children? So B one also I am copying because I said no. A and B sums of each section as a classwork we have to do, and remaining sums as a homework you have to do. Okay? Now second one 8, 9. This we have to copy down. Down of the first one only. Give 5 fingers gap and you can copy. Otherwise, after writing the first sum, you can copy the second one. 8, 9, 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 3, 2 plus 7, 5, 8, 3. Okay, so like that 2 sums are there, A and B. Now, after copying these sums with black pen, now write down solution, SOL, outside the margin. Okay, now. The first number is the children. Look at the word. Give like this 1 finger gap and copy the numbers giving the half finger gap. 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 8. Okay. Now everyone observe carefully. So many of you, how you will be copy the second number means from the 3 onwards you will copy the number. You should not write like the children. Okay, I will tell you to follow a perfect place value. To follow the perfect place value, the second number is the children from the second number onwards. How many numbers it may be? So the second number onwards, from the ones place onwards. From the ones place, start writing the numbers. Okay, then you will be not miss the place value. First number as it is have to write, but for the second number onwards, from ones place you have to write. So here in the ones place, what the number is there? 1. In the reverse manner. Next 2. Next 3. Down of the numbers only how to copy children. Next 8. Next 7. Next 6. Over. Third number also like that only from the ones place you have to copy. Okay, from the ones place. Ones place what the number is there? 3. Next 1. Then 2. Then 5. Then 0. Then 0. Next 1. See, one number has more, but even though remaining all the numbers as perfectly with place values we have written. Yes or no? So to avoid like this confusion, because sometimes in some value second number and third number, sometimes he may give less numbers or more numbers. So whatever may be, we will be considered that if you write from the ones place onwards the numbers, you will be not miss the place value. Okay, so now put plus symbol and addition. Start doing addition from the ones place value. Okay, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Plus 2 is equal to 7. Plus 1 is equal to 8. No carry forward. Next 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And 2 is equal to 10. 1 can be carried forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 1 forward. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 0 and 1. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. And again 1 forward. 1 plus 1, 2. After writing the answer, leave 3 digits and according to Indian system, write the place values and down of the sum, you can write the answer. What is the answer children? How much we got? 20 lakhs 5,082. Okay, 20 lakhs 5,082. Now, second one. Same. What is it? Write solution and give the one finger gap and copy. Numbers giving half a finger gap. 8, 9, 3, 4. And second number from ones place outside. So here in the ones place, what is the number is there? 2 is there. So write down from the last. 2, 3, 6, 5, 1. Reverse order we have to reach it. Again here also from the ones place. 3, 8, 5, 7. And keep plus symbol. Do the addition. Addition from ones place. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 1 carry forward. And 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. And 2 is carried forward. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Put according to Indian system, comma. Then we will get the answer. How much? 32,149. Copy children. 32,149. Next, in the next page, you can write Roman number 2. Subtract the following. Roman number 2, subtract the following. According to textbook, that is Roman number 3. But I said no, that Roman number 1, word problems we are doing as a last section. So the section will be changed then. So now in new page, write Roman number 2. subtract the following. I am writing second answer also. This also have to copy with black pen and answer with blue pencil. Outside the margin of writing 3, 5, 4, 2, 1, 7 minus 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. Next B1. 2 after 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 8, 9, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I said no, A and B sums in the classwork and remaining sums as a homework you have to do it. Okay, so now the first one, same solution. Give one finger gap and copy, giving half a finger gap every number 3, 5, 4, 2, 1, 7. And second number for this also from the ones place you have to copy. It means from reverse order, last to front. Okay, children, last to front, ones place. 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 2. And put minus in there. Do the subtraction. 7 minus 1. The above number is more than below number. So, easily we can do the subtraction. 7 minus 1, 6. 1 minus 2. From one finger we can't subtract two fingers. Yes or no? So what you have to do? You have to take borrow from the before number. Before number is 2. So I am taking 2 from 2 1 borrow and this value became 11. So 11 fingers we are not having. So what you have to do? The second number is there, no. From down to up you have to count the numbers. It means 2 after count up to 11. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fingers I open? 9 fingers. So write 9. Next, again take one finger and close 4 fingers. Is it possible? No. So what you have to do? Again take borrow from the 4. Then it will become 11. So for this also same process. 4 after count till up to 11. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fingers I open? 7 fingers. So write 7. Open 3 fingers, close 3 fingers. Possible. 0. Open 5 and minus 2. 3. Open 3 minus 2. 1. So the according to Indian system put the commas. First 3, then 2. And the answer is 1,30,796. 1,30,796. Now B1 solution. First, same. Give one finger gap arrangement. 2 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Give small gap and write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus. Now, from which place onwards I will write the number, children? Yes, from the ones place onwards. From last to first. So, last number 1, 2, 3, 9, 8. Open 0 fingers and close 1 finger. Is it possible? No. So what you have to do? Take borrow from the before number. But all the numbers are zeros only. So from where you have to take? From the 2. From the 2 you are taking borrow to the first 0. Then this 0 will become 10. Again from 10 you are taking to the next 0. So for this all, if the number is having, first number is having any number, numeral, and remaining all zeros are there, means simple technique, children. What you have to do means, this first number is there, no, cut the first number and write before number of that, and remaining in the middle are the zeros. All the zeros above, write 9, and last 0 above, write 10. That is the simple technique. Okay, so now 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. And 1 meaning of number is not there, so 1. So according to this system, put the commas. then it will be 1,10,679. Okay, so remaining sums in section 1 you are having CD as a homework, and section 2 you are having CDE, means 3 sums are there. So total 5 sums you will be having homework, and in homework notebook also children write heading, chapter 3 large numbers and the basic operations, and copy the textbook page number and sections also that, and CD like that, write the section heading and remaining sums you can do it. Okay, so